You believe in yourself and draw. In this video, we are going to learn about comparison operator. Okay, we will see what is comparison operator and relate it comparison operator, and we will see with examples, and we will see the symbols which will we consider as a comparison operator. Okay, comparison operator. Comparison operator, as its name suggests, it is used for comparing two values. Is used for comparing two values. Okay, its main function is to compare two values. Two, yeah, we can say that it is used for comparing two values or values. Okay, if we are going to say values, yeah, two values, then both are the correct. Just don't be worried. It is used for comparison. Okay, and suppose that there is a number A and another number is B. Then what are the possibility? How will you compare that? Either A is equal to B. Okay, okay. Let me see. On next, there is two numbers A and B. The output of comparison. How can we compare? What are the possibilities? Either A is equal to B or A greater than B. Is the possibilities. Yeah, A less than B. Yeah, A greater or equal to B. Yeah, the possibility is A less than equal to B. Yeah, A not equal to B. These are the possibility which when we will compare, then we are going to get. Okay, and here are the symbol equality symbols. These are the types of comparison operator. Basically, these symbols including comparison operator less than, greater than, A greater or equal to B, A less than equal. Okay, sorry. Greater or equal, less than equal, not equal. Okay, these all are the types which come in under comparison operator. Okay, with the help of these symbols, we can operators we can use we can compare two values. Okay, we can compare values. So, like, suppose that I'm just going to show you with examples. Oh yeah, one more thing. If we are comparing, if A is equal to B, what will the output? If the numbers are equal, then output will be true. If the numbers are not equal, if the condition is false, then our output will be false. So in the same way, if the condition is right, then we will get the value true. If the condition is wrong, then we will get the value false. Okay. And one thing more, you have to just remember that some place at sometimes in some programming language is for true, it's going to return one. As you maybe you seen on switches, in some switches, you have seen that maybe seen that one is for on and zero for off. The same way in programming languages, true basically means one. Okay, and false basically is refers to zero. Okay, maybe you are knowing. If you are not knowing, then just note it down. Okay, just remember it. Yeah, let's come and see with examples. So don't be worried, just I'm just going to okay. Let me yeah, I created it earlier. Okay. What I did, I just created a equal to 7, then b equal to 7, then I printed a equal to b. For saving time, I just did it. Okay. Print a not equal to b, print a greater than. Basically, I'll use the symbols which I already explained you. Okay. So I'm just going to run it and show you the output. And one more thing I would like to tell you that okay, just let me put it here. And one more thing. When a greater or equal to b, okay, if it's this case, then if a greater than b or okay, basically it's symbols. Okay, you are not doing, then I'm just going to write or. Okay, just let me go back. Or a is equal to b. If any of these conditions is going to satisfy, then our output will be true. Okay, if you know about OR gate, okay, just let it about this. Just you have to remember if any of one of the condition, if either if this is statement is written like this, okay, three greater or equal to five. Okay, if written if three greater than five, yeah, or three equal to five. If it's going to happen, if three greater than five or three is equal to five, if both are true, then output will be true. Okay, any one, oh, sorry, both of the true not any one of the true. Just like that. Okay, I'm just going to write six. Okay, okay, let me just give an example, better example. 6 greater equal to 5. And here is 6 greater than 5, 1. And second condition is 6 is equal to 5. Okay, 6 is not equal to 5. Okay, but 6 greater than 5. Then our output will be true. Any one of its condition is satisfying. Then our output will be true. As I am going to show you here, a greater or equal to b. A is a here a is equal to b, but a is not greater than b. That's then also our output is true. A is equal to b, yeah, it's true. That's why our output is true. A not equal to b, that's why is not equal to b. Then that's why our output is false. A greater or equal to b. Here two conditions: a greater than b or a greater equal to b. A is not greater than b, but a is equal to b. That's why here our output is true. Okay. I hope you got the point. What which I want to tell you. Yeah. So this was the simple examples I told you, and some there are, and here this is the output. You just have to practice and just what will you do? Just take user input, take the input from the users and perform the operations. Okay. I hope you got all the points, and you have just one thing. I'm just going to tell you you have to subscribe. If you did not subscribe the channel, please subscribe the channel and please visit my original channel. That name is Hat Coder and subscribe that also. Support. Let's support. Let's learn and grow all together. And for this video, thank you so much for watching the video and just meet in the next video and with the next topic and just let's learn it and nail it. Okay, thank you so much guys for watching.